Good day, this is Lizelle B. Arbuis. In this tutorial, I am going to cover on how the offset command works. Offset allows you to copy selected entities such as lines, arcs, circles, or other, and place the copy at a specific distance from the original or through an existing position. From the top or in the draw panel, select the shape you want to create. The easy way to do this is to make the innermost shape. Click the inner object and click the offset icon in the modify panel. Click any endpoint and enter the distance desired between the objects. Keep on selecting the shape in how many offsets you wish, then you can make concentric squares. The same process goes in creating lines and circles. And that's how the offset command works. Hope you learned something.